This video is for those that want thick hair, long hair, healthy hair, nourish and strengthen their hair. This nutrient-rich biotin infused treatment will prevent damage for strong lustrous hair. This lightweight treatment will nourish your split ends and hair follicles for a sleek look. It soothes dry scalp and deeply penetrates the scalp to increase circulation, combat dandruff, comfort itchy and sensitive scalp while working to strengthen, lengthen, nourish and protect hair. This treatment is safe for all hair types. It will promote radiant hair for all hair types and deeply nourish type 3A to 4C hair. On today's video, I share how to make one of the most potent and powerful hair growth oil for extreme hair growth. You will see results using this oil in less than 1 month of use. To begin, I lit my stove and placed my clean pan on the stove. Basically, we are making this mere rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil. The DIY version, that's what we are making today. For my first ingredient, we are using this sweet almond oil. This oil is super nourishing and can soften and strengthen your hair. It is rich in vitamin B7 or biotin. Almond oil helps to keep hair and nails healthy and strong. It can also help protect your hair from the sun damage with a natural SPF of 5. For the proportion, I measured out half cup of almond oil into the pan. Moving on to the next ingredient, I have grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil contains a potent combination of vitamin E, flavonoids, polyphenols, and linoleic acid, which all promote healthy hair growth and scalp health. Again, for the proportion, I used a quarter cup of the grapeseed oil. Our next ingredient is jojoba oil, which I added in a tablespoon. This oil is pronounced as jojoba oil, not jojoba oil. Moving on to our fourth ingredient, I have rosemary leaves. Rosemary is a popular herb that improves the flavor and texture of food, but did you know that it can tackle hair fall and give you long and lustrous tresses? For the proportion, I used about 4 stalks of rosemary leaves. I chose fresh rosemary leaves because I feel they are more potent. Please, if you don't have access to the fresh ones, please use the dried version. Moving on to the next ingredient, I have mint leaves. Mint leaves is a great source of carotene and antioxidants that promotes hair growth and prevents hair fall. The potent antimicrobial and antifungal properties of mint leaves used to ward off dandruff, head lice, and many more. For the proportion, I added few stalks of the mint leaves into the pan and stirred to combine. Please do not do this on high heat. Make sure your heat is on the low. Stir to combine all the ingredients. Please, when stirring, do not use plastic spatula. Please use either wooden or glass. I left this on heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I turned off my heat and allowed to cool down completely. After cooling and infusing, the next process is to sieve. For the sieving, I use my strainer and a clear bowl just so you can see what I have. So I transfer that into the sieve just to trap all the leaves that would have penetrated the oil. Moving on to my next ingredient, we have biotin in 800 microgram. So I'll be using just a tablet which I crushed in my mortar. Moving on, our next ingredient, I added some menthol crystals. This will further help with tingly sensation on the scalp. I love these menthol crystals so much because of the cooling and minty sensation it gives to the scalp. So I crushed these two ingredients, the biotin and the menthol crystals, into a smooth powder and then transfer that into the oil and stirred to combine. You can replace menthol crystals with peppermint oil. I still added some peppermint oil to this, so you must not use the essential oils I used on this video. You can replace that with any essential oil you have around you. Another important ingredient is preservatives, Optiphen. I'm sure Miel Organics, they added preservatives to theirs. If you don't have Optiphen, you can use any other preservative you have that is good for all. especially vitamin E oil. So I transferred our DIY version of this oil into this cute bottle, and our oil is ready. This oil is super potent. The best part is that you can make yours at home with these few ingredients. Guys, if you don't have money to get the real meal rosemary mint oil, you can make yours at home. You can use the dried version of the leaves, like the rosemary and the mint leaves. You can use the dried version. I use the fresh leaves because I believe they are more potent than the dried version. So use what you have, dried or fresh. They are all rosemary and mint leaves. Okay, so use this to massage your scalp. One way that I love to stimulate growth is by using potent hair growth oil like this to massage my scalp. That way it helps with blood circulation around the scalp, which yields hair growth. This DIY version is the bomb. I love how it's strengthening my hair and also minimizing shedding and breakage. I love this oil so much. Please go ahead and give this a shot. Try making this yourself and add some of these ingredients and see how it works for you. If you have bald spots, if you have anywhere your hair is receding, trust me, rosemary is great. And also combination with mint leaves is amazing combo. Try using this on your problem areas, or if your hair is shedding or you're shedding so much hair, please use this on those areas, and in a short while you begin to see results. I tell you, rosemary shouldn't be joked with. Also, do not forget your ends. Your ends are the oldest part of your hair. So whatever you're doing to your hair, make sure to do that to your ends. Also, that helps minimize split ends, tangles, and also knots on the ends of your hair. For best results, use this oil to massage your scalp. Apply this on your scalp at least 2 to 3 times weekly. You can do every day because these oils are lightweight. If your scalp is sensitive and always feels irritated whenever you apply some oils to it, please use grapeseed oil or almond oil to make some of your hair growth oil. Please, you don't have business with thicker oils if your scalp is sensitive. So always go for lighter oils and also apply sparingly. Do not use the oil to flood your scalp. Trust me, hair growth oil treatments, they work wonders. Please use this oil to massage your scalp. You can add it to your shampoos, your deep conditioners. You can use it as a pre-poo. You can use it as hot oil treatment. Please incorporate this oil in your routine and you definitely see results. This oil is making rounds on the internet, and the DIY version is even more amazing. Give this oil a shot and let me know how it works for you. If you have more questions regarding this video, please drop them in the comment section below. Let's keep this conversation popping. Have you tried Mere Rosemary Mint Oil? Would you be trying this DIY? Let me know in the comment section below. For this scalp massager, I know a lot of you have asked me countless times where I purchased it. I actually purchased it on Instagram from an Instagram vendor. For those of you in Nigeria, I got it from an Instagram vendor. For those of you in the abroad, you can get it on Amazon. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and I'll see you shortly.